Welcome. So in this video, it's a new tax year. I'm going to show you how you can open up a trading 212 account and get started this year. So obviously you're going to click on my video, which you're already watching right now. From there, you're basically just going to scroll down to the description box. My computer is being really slow today. And then right here, you can see Join Trading 212. From there, you're going to click on that link, and then it's going to take you over to Trading 212. So, best thing about Trading 212 is you can now buy fractional shares, as it says right here. It also offers you, when you do sign up, you do get free shares worth up to £100. So as you can see here, sign up for Trading 212. Once you add funds to your account, you'll then get free shares worth up to £100. So definitely worth getting signed up today. Get free shares, and also Trading 212, they're currently offering 5.2% interest on uninvested cash. So whatever cash you have uninvested, just sat in your account, you'll be earning 5.2% on top of that. So obviously I'm in the UK, so click next. And then Trading 212, they offer free accounts, invest, CFD, and then ISA. So invest. With that, you can invest into any stock you like. Dividends, you will be taxed on. It's classed as income, etc. CFD is pretty much you can buy and sell at the same time, short-term, long-term leverages, etc. And then the ISA, that's your tax-free savings account if you're in the UK. So in the UK, with an ISA, we get to save £20,000 every year tax-free. Even dividends, everything that comes into your ISA is tax-free. So obviously, I want to create an ISA for the new tax year. Obviously, we're then going to put in our... So yeah, just create an account. It's hopefully going to load up any second now. And here we are. What is going on? So obviously, you're then going to go into set up your account. You're then going to verify your identity, add funds, and then you will claim your free shares. So that's what we're going to go ahead and do right now. So when you create an account, it will then send you so when I click start, then it sends me an email. Go into your email, open that email, and it will verify your account. So with this is pretty much Trading 212. You've got all your stocks, shares. So you've got top winners, top losers, global market, most owned. So on Trading 212, who owns the most? Tesla, Apple, S&P 500 is a common one. So you've got all these then. You then got your pies you can create, etc. And from there, so I've set up my account. So yeah, you basically, once you verified, you go back into set your, or start investing, whatever that was then. You'll input your name, phone number, email address, and date of birth. Obviously, I didn't show that because it's personal information. And then the usual stuff. Enter your national insurance number, which I will do now. So you enter your national insurance number, and after that, it'll then ask for your address. So if I put in my address now, and then once you've put in your address, This then pops up just asking for some financial details. So annual income, just the average bloke. Savings excluding property. So we'll say that for now. Source of funds will be my salary. Personal bank account. We'll go debit card. Investment goals. We'll go long-term capital appreciation. I'm a high risk taker. And then annually, obviously, I want to hit that £20,000 mark. So anything between 10 and 20. Employed. I am not the owner. How would losing most of your money invest with trading to affect you? It would not affect me because obviously I'm only going to use money that I'm willing to lose. Stocks. I've actively vested, obviously, because I've been making videos. Which of the following best describes the purpose of stock exchange? I have no idea. I confirm. No, I deny. And there you go. That is your account all set up. And then obviously you just got to go into your identity, prove it's you. This is going to be face. We will go. With driving license. So I will do this right now. So you'll do your passport or driving license, complete it to upload an image of that. Then you'll upload a selfie, and then it will check your documents. Once they're happy, they'll bring you to this. So the V8BEN form, pretty much if you invest into US stocks, when they pay you dividends, it's normally, I think it is 30% tax, but submitting this form takes it down to 15%. So if you do invest in US stocks, and they pay you dividends, you only pay 15% tax once you submit this form. Once you've signed that form and submitted it, that is pretty much you good to go once they've approved everything. And that is you all good to go. And then obviously when you're in here, you can invest automatically with creating pies or manually through individual stocks. So with a pie, you can put multiple stocks in one pie, invest into that one pie, and then the dividends will keep getting invested into that pie, and it'll just keep on growing. You can also put on auto invest with that. So, like I said, if you get dividends, they normally get put into your free funds, and they'll sit there until you reinvest those funds. But if you, with a Pi, you can put on auto invest. Once they pay you dividends, it automatically invests into those companies. So we're just going to deposit some funds now. So let's go ahead, and then obviously we're going to go instant bank transfer. Connect your bank account, and then we will go from there. So you connect your bank account to here, and then we'll go from there. So obviously I will do that right now. So that is that done. Connected my bank account, and then I basically just deposited £10. Nothing crazy. Just putting £10 in for you guys to get an idea on how to set up an account, deposit, etc., and go from there. So that should be done. Perfect. So that is it. As I just got a notification then, if you didn't see in the top corner, that my fractional shares have been added to my account, I think it said. Once this loads, we will check. So we've got £10 sat in my account now. So as you see there, portfolio is 0 because I haven't invested in anything. Free funds, £10. So free funds is what you earn your interest on. So that 5.2% is what you earn it on. The ISA allowance, as you can see there, you've got 20,000 limit. I haven't touched anything yet. Earn interest on cash. We will enable this. And as you can see here, so I've enabled that. I've got £10 in my free funds, as I just shown you. 5.2% interest, and that means I will earn, what's that, 1p a day. So if I keep this in here every day, Train 2 and 2 will pay me 1 pence every day, until obviously that gets more and more. The more money I have here, the more that grows, and so on. So it works to have money sat in your account, especially at that high interest. And obviously here it shows you where your money is held. And obviously my portfolio is empty. So you can see here all the different stuff that you can invest into. Your free fractional shares are waiting. Just fund your account to get them. Done that. Excited times, you just qualified for our ISA deposit. Cashback offer, the ISA deposits you make during the 2024-2025 tax year will bring you 1% cash back to your investment account. So I think pretty much everything you input or deposit into your Train 212 account, they will give you basically 1% cash back on that. So we've got £10. Let's invest that into. Where's this going now? What is going on with this app? So yeah, with the £10, let's invest that, shall we? Obviously, it's just a random set of money. So £10. Lloyd's TSB has a ex-dividend date of the 11th. So does Avira. So when it comes to buying stock, you just come pick your stock, whatever stock you want to invest into. You then click buy. And then once you click buy, you then just put the amount you want to buy. And then literally it will buy that stock for you pretty much. So Lloyd's TSB, I want to buy £10, which will get me 18 shares. Not too bad, eh? Not too bad. 18 shares, and the ex-dividend date is the 11th of April. So I will get dividends from this because it is only the 8th. So the ex-dividend date is the 11th. So if you own shares before the ex-dividend date, you will then basically get paid dividends for those stocks. So just bought Lloyd's 18 shares. So they're now here now. And then ex-dividend date will go from there. And that is pretty much it. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. You liked it. Sorry about the delays. The Wi-Fi, my laptop isn't the best today. But please hit that like button, and also make sure you join Train 212 by clicking that link in the description box below.